Alright, I'm going to do a real quick video on this. This is the front blinker for a 2004 F150. Haven't messed with this side just yet. Just recently rained, so I need to clean that side off a little bit better. But anyway, this little piece will be covering. It'll just slide in the hole. Looks just like that. So you're going to need a screwdriver. That's all you're going to have to do is just unscrew it. Once you get it out, you can do the same thing I did. You can just pull that out of the way. There will be 3 bolts. They're 10 millimeters. One will be right here. And the 2 will be one right there and one right there. It goes through this just like that on both sides. Now when you're pulling this off, this piece right here will actually be in this hole, so you'll have to lift it up as you pull it out so you can get past this little hole. You pretty much just pull straight out. The whole assembly will come right out. Now when you're doing this is a quick rotate. This is the new bulb. Locks into position. I would say 2 hands is a lot better than 1. But yeah, that's the gist of it. All you're going to need to do is replace them if they start to look like that, because it will fail inspection like mine recently has. So that's pretty much it. Real simple, real quick. That should be what it looks like, that color. After I clean off this one a little bit, you can still see a pretty obvious difference in the colors there. Alright, now good luck on your adventures of fixing your truck.